6. Terence Tao. Born July 17th, 1975. Hometown, Adelaide, Australia. Estimated IQ, 225 to 230. Terence Tao is often called the Mozart of mathematics. From a very young age, his talent was undeniable. At 2 years old, he was already doing basic arithmetic. At 9, he attended university-level math classes. At 24, he became a professor at UCLA. But what makes Tao different is not just his intelligence, but his consistency. While many child prodigies fade over time, Tao continued to grow, contribute, and solve problems that most people cannot even understand. A rare case of a genius who stayed a genius. 7. Christopher Hirata. Born November 30th, 1982. Hometown, California, USA. Estimated IQ, approximately 225. Christopher Hirata's story feels almost unreal. At 13, he won a gold medal in the International Physics Olympiad. At 16, he was already working with NASA. At 22, he earned his PhD from Princeton. But behind the achievements was a struggle few people saw. Hirata once shared that he battled depression during his academic journey, a reminder that even the brightest minds are still human. 8. Kim Young. Born August 3rd, 1962. Hometown, Seoul, South Korea. Estimated IQ, approximately 210. Kim Young was once listed as one of the smartest children in the world. At 6 months old, he could speak. At 3, he could read multiple languages. At 8, he was invited to work with NASA. But then, something unexpected happened. He chose to leave NASA and return to Korea to live a more normal life. Today, he works as an engineer, away from global fame. Sometimes, the smartest choice is not chasing greatness, but choosing peace. 9. Judith Polgar. Born July 23rd, 1976. Hometown, Budapest, Hungary. Estimated IQ, approximately 170 plus. Judith Polgar is considered the greatest female chess player of all time. She defeated multiple world champions, broke into the top rankings dominated by men. Her story is not just about intelligence, but about how it was shaped. Her father believed geniuses are made, not born, and he trained his daughters from a young age to prove it. Intelligence is not always a gift. Sometimes it is built. 10. John von Neumann. Born December 28th, 1903. Died February 8th, 1957. Hometown, Budapest, Hungary. Estimated IQ, 190 to 220. John von Neumann was a true polymath. He contributed to quantum physics, game theory, computer science. People said he could read a page once and remember it forever. He could joke, calculate, and solve complex problems, all at the same time. But what made him truly unique was how fast he thought. Some even said talking to him felt like chasing a moving train, a mind that operated on a completely different level. And here's the truth. These people were not just smart. They were different, misunderstood, sometimes lonely. Intelligence can open doors, but it can also create distance. So maybe the real question is being the smartest really the most important thing? And now, goodbye, and see you again.